Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will do some analysis of Nifty 50. As you can see in the past 4 days, 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Nifty has fallen around 1177.3 points, that is 4.76%. And as you can see on the chart, there are two head and shoulders pattern which are indicating reversal. And let's see how much down can Nifty fall further. I hope you can see the first head and shoulders pattern. If not, I'll draw it for you. Let's find a neckline first. This is the neckline. Okay, let me change the color. Let's make it dark. Let's make it red. Or let's make it this color. Okay, cool. Now as you can see, we have left and right shoulders here, and this is the neck. Okay, let's draw it. This is the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And let's see whether this head and shoulders pattern was correct or not. Let me remove this drawing here. Let me remove this as well. First of all, I need to select this crosshair. Okay. Let's see the difference between neckline and top of the head. That is of 1465 points. Once the right shoulder broke this neckline, let's see how many points did the Nifty fall. As you can see, it is 1465 points. Let me draw a line here. 1465. As you can see, yeah. So this is 1465. Okay, let's see how much did the Nifty fall after breaking this neckline. As you can see, Nifty fell down around 1460 points, and the head and shoulders pattern says that once the neckline has been broken, the price will either go up or go down. In our case, Nifty went down, and by how many points? 1460 points here. Now this pattern has been completed. The target has been met. Now what about the other head and shoulder pattern? Let's clear all the drawings. Move 4 drawings. Let me clear this as well. Now as you can see, let me zoom out a little bit. There is another head and shoulders pattern which is bigger than the previous one. Let's again draw the neckline. This is the horizontal line. Let's draw it here. See, the patterns don't always form in an actual head and shoulders pattern or whatever is the textbook figure or definition. As you can see, we have our left shoulder here. This is the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. As you can see, this was a very small right shoulder here, but we are updating it due to its size. When the small right shoulder broke the neckline, after after a week, it again went above that neckline and again formed that right shoulder. Now as you can see, this neckline has been broken by the right shoulder, and we don't have any support here to make Nifty retrace from any level. We should not consider this resistance line to be support, because the difference between neckline and top of the head is around 2446 points. Let me draw a line again here. Okay, as you can see, we have a difference of 2420 points here. Let's measure the difference between the neckline and the support line. This one. Let's draw another horizontal line which will be considered as support in our case. I think we should go for here. It's up to you if you want to draw a trend line at VIX or the closing price. It's up to you. Now let's calculate the difference between neckline and the support line. The support line is at 21,798.45. Okay, let's see. It is around 2095 and this was around 2466. Let me draw it once again. Let's measure the difference between neckline and this resistance line at the top. The difference is 2381 and here the difference is 2134. Then that means the price can go further down. And how much down? Let's see. We have a support here. Okay. Now let's measure the difference once again. This is the neckline and we have to consider the second line. As you can see, the second support line, the support line at 21,153 is giving a difference of 2,721. Earlier it was 2037. Then we can consider this range 21,798 to 21,153 as the buying zone, support zone. How? Let's go to the weekly chart. Okay, let me zoom once again. As you can see, Nifty has been taking some support at this line 21,798 or you can say 21,800 if you want to be more accurate. 21,800. Okay, and Nifty has taken support at 21,153 level as well. So you can see one bounce, two bounce. That's why I've sold some of my holdings and I will buy my desired stocks once again at this level. That is 21,800 to around 21,800 or between 21,153 to 21,800 range. I just want to say that do your own analysis before taking any financial decision and don't believe what you see in this video or in the news or whatever the media says. It's your hard-earned money. Make sure to take each decision wisely. If you have any comments, please comment and write whatever you want.